Hello, it's Gem Games here once again and welcome to this new Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to move this new project that you have downloaded to your already existing projects folder so you can see it here. What you want to do, you want to open your Unreal project browser. You want to right click on any of these projects. You want to show in Explorer. Now you want to go back to the Unreal projects. Now you are on your projects folder on your PC. Now you just want to drag your new project, the whole folder, to here. Open this project browser again and refresh. And as you can see, we got it here. So yeah, simple as that. That was all for this video. If you like what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you in the next one. Bye.